Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin bars with a cream cheese frosting. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started with this recipe. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Lightly grease a 9x13-inch baking pan and set it aside for now. Then into a medium bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves, and whisk them until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then into a large bowl, add in the softened butter and brown sugar, and beat them with an electric mixer for a few minutes until they're light. Then add in the egg, molasses, pumpkin puree. Make sure it's pure pumpkin and not pumpkin pie mix, and vanilla extract, and mix them in until they're combined. Add in the dry ingredients a little at a time, mixing on low speed until just combined after each addition. Then finish it by hand to mix in all the ingredients, but don't overmix the batter. Mix just until it's combined. Pour the batter into the prepared pan. Spread it out until it's even. And bake it in the oven for about 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When they're done, remove it from the oven and set it aside to cool completely. To make the cream cheese frosting, in a medium bowl, add in the softened cream cheese and softened butter, and beat them with an electric mixer until they're smooth. Then sift in the powdered sugar. Mix it with a spoon at first, and beat it with the electric mixer on medium speed for another 2 minutes. Then add in the vanilla extract. Mix it in until it's combined, and finish it by hand to combine all the ingredients. Then spread the frosting all over the cooled cake. Make sure the cake is completely cooled before frosting it. Then cut it into bars and serve. And that's how to make pumpkin bars with a cream cheese frosting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.